And first of all, to state a thank you for taking the trouble of coming here in this kind of an atmosphere, in this kind of a weather. We are very much grateful to you, sir. So nice of you. So we will straight away start with the press conference. So to begin with, I would like to invite share the results and share whatever further information that's deemed fit with all of them. Thank you very much.
41 ATMs and then 2.46 million customers. So with that, in fact, this year we are planning to open some 75 more branches. So far, we are requesting RBI to approval. So we will open 75 more branches. So this today only we declared the half-yearly results, and I am very happy to inform you that the bank has done reasonably well during the first half. In fact, the profit for the first half, it was 59.66 crores. And it has shown, in fact, as compared to last year profit of 31.20 crores, this year first half profit was 59.66 crores. It shows, the growth of around 91.22% over the previous first half. So, and it's just a matter of coincidence also that last year our total full year profit was 59.66 crore, and this year for half year we have touched that figure. So that's a good thing. And as far as now coming to the mainly deposits and advances, so our total business that has increased by 14.77% from 28,788 crores to 33,039 crores. Total deposits grew by 17.38% and advances grew by 11.28% on YOY basis. As far as operating profit is concerned, as against first half year last year profit of 155 crores, this year our first half profit was 160 crores. If we see the quarter wise, so as against this first quarter, this second quarter Q2 results of last year, it was 71.49 crores. This year Q2 result was 90.40 crores, which shows a growth of healthy growth of 27%. So QOQ, if we see second quarter of this year compared to second quarter, 27% growth is there. Now this net profit, as I said, this quarter it is 31.50. Although this last year second quarter was a little bit an aberration, it was only 6 crores, and again that 6 crore it is 5 times. But that is why I am comparing first half and second half. So first half there is a growth of about 92%, 91.2%. Now as regards NPA, which is our, which has been a major concern for our bank. So NPA, if we see the 30th September 2013 figures, it has come down by 150 basis points. In fact, it was 5.22% as on 30th September 13, and now it is 3.72%. And we had in last press conference also I had indicated that we have strengthened our recovery department and monitoring department, and accordingly quarter on quarter, every quarter, in fact it was 5.22% as of 30th September, then increased 5.60 as on 31st December, that was the highest. Then it started coming down with strength, then it came to 4.19% as on 31st March, then 3.96% on 30th June, and now it's 3.72%, and we are slowly progressing towards which we have promised that we will be below 3% as on 31st March 2015. So that way there is good recovery, and then this net NPA figure has also come down. Provision coverage ratio has net NPA itself. So
second quarter of last year, the operating profit was only 71 crore, as against which now it is 90 crore. So operating profit, there is an increase of 20 crore. Apart from that, as MD explained, there has been a fall in the provisions. Last time we had to make a provision of 58 crore for NPA. Sorry, 58 crore. 58 crore. As against which now the provision was only 28 crore. So there is a reduction of 30 crore. Yes, September 13 and September 14.
But the coverage ratio has gone up or come down?
Yeah, coverage ratio has gone up.
What was the coverage ratio last year? Last quarter? Previous year quarter?
The provisioning coverage last September it was 47%. Now it has gone up to 58%.
47 to 58.
Yeah, because of recovery, yeah.
31.50 crores. Net profit last, second Q2 of last year, it was 5.85 crores. As against this year, Q2, it is 31.50 crores.
What are the reasons for growth? You said there was some aberration last year. What are the reasons for growth?
Basically, of course, last year, number one, operating profit has increased as compared to second quarter. Our operating profit has increased YOY by this 27%. So that is of course where other income has also increased. But apart from that, why major difference is there? Because last year, because of during that quarter we had to provide make heavy provision for NPAs. So this heavy provision now, since we are controlling our NPAs, so that provision is coming down. So major reason, of course, despite that other income has increased, that interest in making operating profit, but this provision has also made a major difference. Provision amount December 722. After that, continuously 546, 531, 500. So continuously quarter on quarter, the gross NPAs are coming down. Basically, of course, various reasons are there. Of course, upgradation, recovery, and then some restructuring also. But during this quarter, if we see, there was slippage only 22 crores. As against that, recovery is more. What we are trying and ensuring that whatever slippages occur, the recovery should be more than the slippages.